I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Petra Mume, and today I'm gonna be doing a Christmas inspired makeup, and I'm gonna transform this face right here to this. Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I created this look and this look. So guys, keep watching and see how I got this beautiful makeup look. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing is my foundation as usual, and I'm going to be using the MAC one. I've used this foundation for like forever. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, if I don't look like a Grinch. So now I'm going to use my MAC foundation. I'm going to mix it with the one. So right now I have my foundation. I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Ooh. I think I got dark. Petra's wedding was in the sun, so I think I got a tan. So anyway, I'm just going to press this foundation in and blend it all out. Growing up, my mom is a fan, very big fan, like a huge fan of Christmas. Growing up, she would buy Christmas trees, knockout, fireworks, Bonnie M. Bonnie M is like, we can play Bonnie M from September to May. Like, she was a huge fan of Christmas. She's still a huge fan of Christmas. So we grew up loving Christmas. And I was looking for a green tree to buy. I was looking for a white tree to buy. I couldn't find a white tree, so I got a green tree, and I did not pay much attention in decorating it. I just like threw everything in. My white tree, I would usually like start from the bottom, decorating it, and I love white Christmas tree. I searched the whole place. I searched everywhere looking for white Christmas tree. I couldn't find, so I brought this home. Actually, this is for the sitting room, but I took it for the purpose of this makeup. I only just have the white lights you're seeing on my mirror and my TV. Those are the only lights that will be on my in my room for Christmas. This came out looking not bad, right? So I'm done with my foundation now, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is highlight, and I'm going to be using in my skin highlighter, a Nubian highlighter in my skin. Just going to put this all around here. I don't know which of these shades is lighter, my foundation or the concealer. Cover up my bags. The next thing I'm going to do is my contour. I'm going to contour my... Oh, shit! OMG! I'm not going to touch it because I don't want to ruin it more than this, so let's just leave it like this. So I'm going to put this right here. And I'm going to put this right here. So I look like the Grinch. So I'm just gonna blend this. Can we all respect ourselves and stay in the place that concerns us? So now guys, I'll be highlighting and contouring my face with Zikel powder palette. Use let's use this. I know why. So let's use this for here. So I'm going to draw my brows, and I'm using the Beauty by Joms pencil. Just going to scoop this up. So guys, I'm done drawing my brows. I'm just going to put this on it. The next thing I'm going to do is my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be creating a Christmas eyeshadow look. So I'm going to be using this Morphe palette to create my Christmas eyeshadow look, and I'm going to be using, don't mind me, I beg, just don't mind me, I beg. I don't even have strength to even remove it right now. I'm going to be using this red right here to create the look. I'm going to put this just right here. So I'm going to use this clay brush, and I'm going to take like an orange kind of color for the smoothness. So the next thing I'm going to do is use a very dark color. I'm going to be using this color. This is the Juvias Place, the Masquerade palette from Juvias Place. I'm going to be using this sweet brown or explored. I don't get these colors right now. So I'm going to use that to intensify this outer corner. Just gonna put lots and lots and lots till it becomes really dark. I'm just going to clean from the areas I don't want products to be on. I'm going to use this beautiful shade right here. I'm just going to put it right here. Look, don't joke with this palettes. The pigment is just to die for. So I'm just going to put this right here. Oh my goodness. Cheers. So I'm gonna do my wing liner next. I'm gonna use this green under my eyes. So I'm gonna put this right here. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is using this very black gel liner, and I'm going to put it at the right now. I'm just going to use mascara to, you know, take off any excess colors that is not supposed to be there. So finally I bought a mascara. God be praised. Don't mind my funny face. In my lashes, I still have like a few of all these lashes, so I'm gonna be using my lashes. Just hold on. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is dust off this excess powder on my face right now. So right now guys, I'm gonna be doing my lips, and I'm gonna be using the Joms Lipstain. So I'm gonna be using Mamus and Orode. So I'm gonna be using Mamus and Orode. Otsuburu, but I guess it's too dark for the look I'm going for, so I'm gonna use Mamus and Orode. So I'm gonna use Mamus to line my lips up. So I love the way this lipstick smells. Like, it's this. It smells so good. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. Oh God. Only those who have used this product understand how good it is. Like, This is just one dip. I could go with a full brown, like it's so beautiful. So now I'm gonna use Orode. I'm going to use Orode for the rest part of my, since this is a makeup Christmas look. So right now guys, I'm going to use my highlighter and I'm going to use this beautiful highlighter. Guys, this is partly the finished look. How do you like it? Okay, I want to try and draw like a Christmas hat right here. So I'm gonna use this for my red and I'm gonna use this for my white. So I'll first of all draw the hat, so the red cap. So I'm just going to take this. The white thingy. Let's use this one here too. Right here. Ooh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Ring a bell, ding 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 ding. So beautiful. So guys, what do you think? This is the final look. OMG, I am so in love with this makeup. So yeah guys, this is how I got this look. Do you like it? I mean, I actually do love it. So all the products that I use will be listed on the description box below. If you want to recreate this look for Christmas, please do go ahead, and please don't forget to tag me or come back to the comment section and comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Merry Christmas.